Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete a profile on Peacock TV. To delete a profile on your Peacock TV account, first of all launch open a web browser and sign into your peacocktv.com account. Here I'm already logged into my Peacock TV account. Once you're inside the main home page, click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. It'll then take you to the list of profiles that you've created for your account. Select any one profile you would like to delete and click on the pencil icon right underneath the profile. Now, this will open up the Edit Your Profile section, from where you will need to scroll all the way down and get to this Delete Profile option. Simply click on it and click on Yes Delete in order to delete your profile permanently. So that is how you can easily delete a profile on Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.